Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Temple Heights Elementary School, or the Leadership Academy, or THELA, here in Oceanside, California. Just got done sharing my heart outdoors today on the recess field behind me. This is the primary school entrance, and the focus for today with the AM, PM students and staff was all about positivity, revisiting that topic. The sub-theme was be your best self. And on days like today, it's very easy to be positive. We got the sun shining here in California, beautiful weather, just gorgeous out. But on days when it's not the best outside or even inside here in our hearts, the storms that might be happening here at school, at home in general, a lot of times it's more convenient, a lot easier to just be negative, right? That's human nature in general. But we don't want to be negative, right? Whatever you tell your brain and your heart, it's going to believe. We want to tell it something positive, to turn our negative thoughts or beliefs into positive affirmations, positive statements. And the more that we do that, the more we start to believe it. And knowing that the person we're going to speak to the most in our lives is ourselves, we want to make sure that we're telling ourselves something positive, right? To be kind to our mind. And that's definitely part of being our best self, and part of it is doing your best. Each and every day, each and every moment, right? Like the song that I sing, the chorus, the parts you repeat, I say it's our absolute best and never nothing less, right? Is what we have to do with each and every breath that we take each and every day to make our school and this world a better place in each and every way. And if we can all do our parts, those little acts of positivity, we start to see some real change, right? And that's why I wear this shirt for this particular program. It says, keep your head up. The words are upside down on purpose, because if you're feeling sad, looking down, feeling down, it's a reminder to keep your head up, right? To think positive no matter what. And no matter what we've gone through, are currently going through, will go through. Some students that shared their heart with me today, just telling me where sometimes they felt that they weren't the smartest person, and they were told that by some of their classmates and teased. They had other people that were their champions, that stood up for them, were the light to their heart, and helped them believe in themselves, right? And that was huge. That's beautiful when I hear something like that. It gives me hope, knowing that there's going to be difficult times in our lives, but they can make us stronger if we let them. And when we know that we're all true miracles, right? Like the lines on our hands are something I bring up in every assembly. It's so important to me. But we know that we're true miracles, worthy of love, upside down W for worthy that love, to give it and receive it. We know we can go and shine that light towards others, right? First, we have to believe in ourselves, have that self-love, right? That self-positivity. Now we can go out into this world and hopefully, be someone else's mirror, to reflect to them what we already know deep down, that we're beautiful, just the way we are. And if we keep giving the effort, usually we're going to get the outcome that we want. The opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting or giving up. So as long as we keep pushing, keep persevering, and just keep trying again and again and again, eventually we're going to have the success, right? And the result that we want. If we plant those positive thoughts in here and here, we're going to get positive results in our life. So students really got that today. Had an amazing time back here at THELA. Hope to be back again in the future. Until then, though, have a great rest of 2025, 2026, these last few weeks. An amazing summer break. And as always, feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.